Hello guys, welcome back to Satoshi Fibs. I'm Mr. Legend. Guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin dominance in the market. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It's currently ranked number 1. At the top of the bull run, Bitcoin had a market cap of over $1.23 trillion. Right now, Bitcoin has 43% of the total crypto market. In this video, we'll be looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. When has been the best time to go into Bitcoin? Are we in the bear market right now? Should people be running to Bitcoin? As Bitcoin dominance is falling, what does it mean for the altcoin? What does it mean for Bitcoin? We're talking about that and more in this video. Bitcoin is currently trading for 19,300. It's trading above the 2018 all-time high. Will Bitcoin be able to close this week above the 2018 all-time high? As previously discussed in our previous video, guys, we talked about how we're expecting Bitcoin bottom to come in around that $14,000 to $16,000 region. I'm still expecting it to happen. I'm expecting the final leg of the capitulation to happen. So when Bitcoin gets below that 17,600 that we got to, and when the first dump happens, people will start getting scared, thinking we're going to gobble town, and that will be the best time to actually buy. Now, this is the Bitcoin dominance from 2015 till 2022. Bitcoin dominance shows us the health of the crypto market. It shows us whether Bitcoin is in charge of the market or whether altcoins are in charge of the market. Anytime Bitcoin dominance is falling, has historically always been when altcoins are actually going on a wonderful bull run. You can see here in 2022 when Bitcoin dominance fell drastically from 74% to as low as 39%. Altcoins went crazy. This was after Bitcoin has gone on its own bull run. And even in 2017, 2019, when Bitcoin went on that bull run, it was because altcoins were going crazy. We actually had two alt seasons in 2017. Bitcoin first had around 96% of the market share entering 2017. Then we had the first alt season and then a mini bear market. Then we had another alt season. At the end of 2017, Bitcoin dominance was as low as 36%. Starting the year as high as 92%, it fell to as low as 36%, and that was where people really caught up to the idea of alt season. Now we had various mid alt season or various bear market rally in between, but the major alt season we had were in 2017 and 2021. So we'll be expecting another alt season in 2025. But in this video, we're talking about Bitcoin. And so how should we know when to always get Bitcoin? Guys, I actually believe we should always be getting Bitcoin at every point in time, and we're actually going to be using support resistance on this chart to see the important places where Bitcoin dominance actually reacts to. Now, one very critical place I've actually one very important level I've seen Bitcoin dominance react to is around that 50% region, just above 49%, and that has been a very critical level for Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance is below that 49%, and we know that, okay, we're in alt season, or it's better to be in alt, or the market is actually rigged some. But once Bitcoin dominance start getting above 50%, and that means people are running to safety, people are running to Bitcoin in the market. That's an important region, and we can see that the lower end of this region for Bitcoin dominance is around that 39.5%. Another region of safety we can look at is the 39.5% region, and anytime Bitcoin dominance is getting to that level, that's the region you know that, okay, a lot of people are actually just getting careless in the market. You want to be really careful, and history has shown that anytime Bitcoin dominance is at that level, that's when you want to be careful, and you don't want to be in altcoins. You really want to be just in Bitcoin. And this happened in January 2018. This was when the end of the bull run was happening. You wanted to be in Bitcoin at this point in time because a lot of these altcoins lost their value really well against Bitcoin after that time. And that time was in May 2018. This was when we had another mini rally in the bear market before Bitcoin finally went to capitulate. Again, Bitcoin dominance came to that region in May 2021. You wanted to be in Bitcoin at this point in time. You didn't want to be in altcoins because this was when Bitcoin actually started finding its top at 64K before we had another top. Again, in September 2021, El Salvador Day, Bitcoin had its retracement rally. You wanted to be in Bitcoin at this point in time. You didn't want to be in altcoins. It was a good time to flip back to Bitcoin. We had another pump in November, December 2022, 2021. A lot of these altcoins was when they had the end of their alt season. All the coins that couldn't finish their alt season around September, November, they finished their alt season in December, entering January 2022. And this was another time to flip into Bitcoin, because after now, all coins have been losing value, and the Bitcoin dominance got as high as almost 50%. Bitcoin dominance actually topped out on the 13th of June 2022. It actually got to as high as 49%. And right now, Bitcoin dominance is falling. I can see Bitcoin dominance getting to this 39% region. Guys, that doesn't mean all coins are going to go on a massive rally, but we all know history has shown us that anytime Bitcoin dominance get to this 39.5% level, that's a good time to be flipping into Bitcoin. Is also going to happen this time? Many people are postulating that Bitcoin dominance might actually fall, set a new all-time low. The lowest Bitcoin dominance has gone towards this 36% region, and this was the height of the bull run in 2018. We didn't get that kind of phase in 2021 when the whole market will go into euphoria, and we're expecting to see whether that will come into play. I don't think that will happen until the next bull run. Now we'll get to this upper phase of the Bitcoin dominance. Anytime Bitcoin dominance above 50%, you know that people in the market are still heavily scared. They are not still trying to play with all coins. And guys, you can see that the only time Bitcoin dominance has gone above 50%, and this was around September 2018. We are deep in the bear market at this point in time. All coins were really risky to hold. You can see that even when the bottom of the market came in December 2018, Bitcoin dominance was as high as 59% then. So I believe right now that the Bitcoin dominance is going to increase. When the market finish dumping, the Bitcoin dominance will increase. I believe that this will happen. The market will dump. Probably all coins will actually pump with Bitcoin. We'll have a relief rally. And when we have that relief rally, a lot of people will flip back to Bitcoin because, guys, all coins might still probably go for another leg to Goblin Town. And if Bitcoin dominance gets above that 59%, you don't really want to be holding all coins. But again, during that period when Bitcoin is around 59% to 72%, that's when you want to be flipping to all coins. Crazy. You don't be holding all coins when Bitcoin dominance is less than 39%. But when Bitcoin dominance start getting into the higher region, when you see Bitcoin dominance getting to this 72% region, one, it means a lot of people are scared in the market. Two, it means a lot of people are running away from all coins down to Bitcoin. But again, that's the best time to flip into all coins when every other person is on Bitcoin. If you want to increase your Bitcoin, you want to multiply your Bitcoin with all coins. And when Bitcoin dominance gets to around that 72%, that's when you want to be making that move. You can see in 2019 right here, this was when Ethereum actually found its bottom. If you had flipped your Bitcoin to Ethereum, you would have had the chance of flipping back to Bitcoin at this point in time, and you would have outperformed the market, and you would have outperformed Bitcoin, because Bitcoin dominance went from as high as 72%, it dropped to as low as 39%. Bitcoin dominance lost more than 44% in just a space of less than 2 years. Yes, all season you can multiply your Bitcoin, but guys, you want to be really careful with all coins during the bear market, and Bitcoin dominance can still get back to as high as 71, maybe 72% in this bear market. But I don't think Bitcoin dominance will get that high. We have stable coins in the market actually pushing pace right now. Before, in the past, when people wanted to run to safety from all coins, they just flipped to Bitcoin and stayed. But right now, people are actually flipping to stable coins instead of just flipping to Bitcoin. So a lot of the capital that will normally run to Bitcoin during looking for safety right now are running to stable coins. So another important dominance you want to be checking is the stablecoin dominance. But right now, we're talking about Bitcoin. I still see Bitcoin dominance getting to that 59%, maybe as high as 71%, depending on how high the total crypto market is going to crash. Because if the total crypto market is going to crash another 50%, you don't expect Bitcoin to crash that low. And Bitcoin is still currently trading at $19,000. And if we see a situation where Bitcoin will probably fall to maybe as low as 11,000, this is worst case scenario for Bitcoin. We have seen the Grayscale Trust get to as low as this region, and the rally we had in 2019, that will be a very crucial level for Bitcoin, and that rally currently sits around 11,700, 12,000 region. Will Bitcoin get that low? Only time will tell. But right now, Bitcoin dominance is telling us to be really careful with all coins. You want to be holding Bitcoin. Don't forget, guys, you want to buy Bitcoin and protect your money in the future. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can check other videos on the channel, Satoshi Fibs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification. We have been trying to find Bitcoin bottom using different metrics. We talk about using Fibonacci retracement tool. We talk about using moving average. We compare Bitcoin previous past cycles. You can drop your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.